If you are looking for yet another more affordable new construction community, well, that's what I'm going to show you today right here in my hometown of Parrish, Florida. Hey everybody, Catherine Newman, and today I'm so excited to introduce to you yet another great community that's coming to Parrish, Florida. And right now we're in something called Oakfield Lakes. And today we're going to highlight Centex homes in Oakfield Lakes. And most of you already know that Centex is a division of Pulte Homes. So I would say that Centex is their entry-level home. So maybe you're a first-time home buyer and you're looking for something as an entry-level home. Maybe you're an investor. They do allow investment homes here up to a certain percentage, and we'll talk about that later. Or you are looking for a vacation home and you want to be here a few months out of the year. I don't suggest you're here right now in summer. It is hot. But if you're looking to be a snowbird and you want to buy a vacation home, this might be a really great spot for you. So let me give you the lay of the land here, what Centex is offering in Oakfield Lakes. And of course, there's a lot of noise going on because they're currently building. There are some quick move-in homes that are ready now with some really great deals, and we can talk about that later on. But there are going to be two subdivisions within the Centex portion of Oakfield Lakes. The first community is called Creek Bridge. It's going to showcase their Bay Series, and these are on 45-foot wide lots. The second community or subdivision is going to be called Indigo Waters, and they are on 52-foot wide lots. And so you're going to see a different variation in how many floor plans. That's their Heritage Series. And you're going to see different floor plans. You're going to see different price ranges. I would say the Creek Bridge is their entry level, and then you can go up in prices for the Indigo Waters Heritage Series. So here is an overall map of Oakfield. There will be two sections. The north part of Buckeye, as you see right here, north of Buckeye Road, there will be Oakfield Lakes, and that's what we're going to talk about today. And then south of Buckeye, between Buckeye and Moccasin Wallow, in that North River Ranch area, it is going to be called Oakfield Trails. So today we're going to specifically talk about the section that is north of Buckeye Road called Oakfield Lakes. So here's the same map zeroed in just on the Oakfield Lakes section, which again is north of Buckeye Road. And you will see the section here of Oakfield Lake. Now it's going to have other builders, not just Centex. Again, today we're just talking about Centex. We're going to talk about two of the communities they're building in here. One is called Creek Bridge and one is called Indigo Waters. So let's start with their lowest price point homes that they're going to build here in Oakfield Lakes. And this would be on the bottom left of your screen here in this section here called Creek Bridge. And this community is going to have 4 floor plans on 45-foot wide lots. And you'll see there's some nice lots here. A lot of them have either a buffer there of trees and shrubbery, or they have some nice water views. And I'm going to show you briefly the 4 floor plans that they have available in the Creek Bridge subdivision so that you can kind of see which homes might fit you and your budget. And here's the Daniel. This is the first home in that series, the Bay Series in Creek Bridge. It's the smallest home they build in this community. And of course, it's not that small, 1,580 square feet, 4 bedroom, 2 bath, 2 car garage. And these are going to start at about $362,000. And again, these are homes that are pre-selected interiors. So they've already chosen what interior finishes go in. And then if you decide you like the brown cabinets or you like the white cabinets or gray cabinets or whatever they're putting in whatever one, you can say, I want the one with the white cabinets. And then they would show you which lot that's being built upon, and you could choose from there. With a base price of $386,000, you get a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2 car garage home that is a 2-story with 1,822 square feet called the Hamden. Then here's another 2-story called the McNair. It's going to start right about $408,000, a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 2 car garage with 2,203 square feet. And I actually made a video of this model, the McNair. So make sure you watch that video so you can see what it's like on the inside.
And the last two-story being built of this Bay Series in Creek Ridge is the Tybee, and that is right under 430,000, as you see. Look at this: 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2-car garage, and 2,615 square feet. So if you need more space and you want to keep it under that 430 mark, or maybe the 450, depending on what lot and what interior finishes you choose, well, this might be a good stop for you. And here's a little drive through the Creek Bridge subdivision, so you can see where these homes are going to be built. And as we're coming in, I want you to notice these street lights. Now, why do you care? Well, you care because a lot of communities in Parrish and in other communities, even in Lakewood Ranch and that sort of thing, there aren't many street lights. So if you look at these cute little lights that are here, well, they're not little, but they're nice lights. I know in my community, we don't have many street lights. So this is going to be really nice. I think that's nice for a community to have. You will see sidewalks. There's a little cul-de-sac there. And then as we kind of come around, you can see some of the lots are going to have nice trees behind them. Some are not. But I like the way they've laid this out where you have a choice. So if you say, we want the Tybee house and we want it to be backing to some trees, we don't really want to back to another house or something like that, then, of course, they're going to whip out their sales sheet and say, oh, okay, great. This is where you can find it, and this is the price of it. So this is Creek Ridge. So let's go see what Indigo Waters has over in their Heritage Series. There's 5 floor plans here. You'll see this in the pink area. This is also where they have their model homes. And you're going to see in the upper right corner here of this map, this is all of the lots that they have available for the series of Heritage Series. And we're going to look at those floor plans as well. So their lowest price point over in the Heritage Series in Indigo Waters with Centex homes is going to be the Chapman. Again, a nice 1-level home, right under 389,000, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage, and 1,662 square feet. And another great single-level home called the Hanover in this series, it's going to be right under 401,000 to start, and 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-car garage, 1,850 square feet. And again, this one is one of their models. I did make a video, so please make sure you watch that video if you want to kind of see the finish of one of their single-level homes. It's a really great house, especially if you want single level living, but you don't want too much square footage. This might be perfect for you. And if you are looking for the largest single level home that they build, that would be the Seabrook here, priced right under 419,000, 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage, little over 2,100 square feet at 2,162. And here's their first 2-story in the Heritage Series called the Thompson. It's right under $431,000, 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath, of course, 2-car garage, 2,386 square feet. And what if you are looking for the granddaddy of them all? You need a lot of square footage. Well, that would be the largest one in both series. This is called the Wakefield. Right under 455,000, 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath, 2-car garage. And look at this, right under 2,900 square feet. That is a lot of space for you and your family. And this might be the perfect fit for you. So if you want to see any of these floor plans, definitely hit me up. I'd love to show them to you. And of course, as it is with most new communities in these areas, you're going to have a great community amenity center. It's going to be a clubhouse, resort-style pools. That's where all of the mail kiosks are going to be. There's going to be a dog park, and of course, an event lawn. Those are very popular here in Florida, where communities come together and plan events, you know, Easter egg hunts and soccer games and that sort of thing. There's also going to be a kayak launch, and of course, parks and trails and playground. That's something that's very popular here. And look at those little food trucky things they brought in. So I'm assuming they're going to schedule events for the community to get together and really enjoy what the community has to offer. Very friendly area for not just single people, not just investors, but of course families and that sort of thing. And remember, your annual HOA due does include your ultra-fi internet. So that's included as well.
So if either of these floor plans fit your lifestyle, or maybe you're curious about them, there are 4 floor plans in the Bay series, and there are 5 floor plans in the Heritage series. Maybe they're going to fit your needs and your wants. Make sure to reach out to me. I'd love to chat with you about your journey and see what's bringing you to these areas. Love to show you around here. I'm Catherine Newman. Thanks for subscribing to this channel. I'll see you next time.